My name's Tammy. I'm in the CNC Machining program here at Maricopa Colleges. Here in the machining shop, I can become something better. I can do more with my life, and Maricopa Colleges is going to help me do that. I'm a little bit of an artist. I'm a little bit of, I've got to find out how it works. I've got to figure out how it's put together. All of these skills lend itself to being a machinist.
I really like seeing just how things are made. I like working with my hands. We're learning a lot about how these machines work, how to operate them, how to program them to do the things that you want them to do to make the parts that you're trying to make.
The students coming out of this program have those core skills to basically go to about any flavor of manufacturing that they choose.
We've hired several students from the Maricopa Community College, and the quality of student certainly is present from the start, from the first interaction, the resume transaction, interviewing, and full placement.
The training that I received at Maricopa was very beneficial and very helpful coming into the industry. I really enjoyed the hands-on training that they gave you, and I think that's necessary in this industry, is to be able to touch and approach the machinery with an opportunity to use the experience that you have with the hands-on training that you're given in the program.
The first time we took a field trip over to one of the companies, it gave me an understanding of what this job and the field is all about. It was a great feeling to be around all these machines that I really did not understand at the time, but it gave me an idea on what I should be looking forward to in the industry.
What I've seen from the students and what we look for is communication and a passion for the industry.
They're looking for team players. They're looking for self-starters. They're actually looking for people that actually like coming to work.
It's a great program for somebody who wants to re-career for that earning potential.
Getting the students prepared for the industry is awesome. That's what drives me.
If I had to do it all over again, I would absolutely come back to this school and take this course again and do exactly what I did over again. I only wish I would have done it sooner.